What are some major expenses when planning a conversion renovation?
So some of the bigger ticket items you want to consider when you're planning a conversion renovation would be the condition of the property. You want to consider the structural needs and the foundation. For example, this house needed waterproofing. You want to look at the current heating and cooling solution. If your panel needs upgrading to accommodate 2 units within one. And you want to look at things like a water line, for example, is often overlooked. It needs to be increased in order to accommodate the water pressure that would be needed to have 2 families living in one house.
What factors should I consider when choosing a contractor?
When you're looking for a contractor, some of the key traits that point to a quality contractor would be the level of communication. You want to expect that you're spending money with someone who's going to get back to you in a timely manner. If you're looking to supplement your mortgage by adding a second suite in the basement, or if you are a property investor and you're taking on a conversion project like this one, you can look for contractors who are investor focused or have experience dealing with these types of projects.
What's the estimated cost and time frame for a project like this?
The timeline you want to keep in mind is about 6 to 8 months to complete a duplex conversion. Of course, it varies per property and what's required for the renovation. You also want to consider a budget anywhere from $180,000 and upwards. This particular project was done in 6 months and cost just over $215,000.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.